Hello and welcome to Anderson Labs. Today we'll be covering the laser cutter. You must decide which material you're going to be working with beforehand. In general, material will have to be purchased by you, and keep in mind materials will react differently to the laser cutter, so be sure to do your research beforehand.
Draw your 2D design in whichever program you prefer. This is going to be the blueprint that the laser cutter will later follow. When you're ready, save it to a USB. Bring both material and design to the Anderson Design Lab. Open up an empty laser printer and lay your material flat upon it. And plug your USB into the corresponding computer. Open up the program CorelDRAW and create a new document. The initial settings should be 32 inches by 18 inches with the color mode set to RGB. Select and import your design from your USB and position it so that it's entirely within your design space. In CorelDRAW, check that the color and thickness of your lines are set correctly. If your lines are not set correctly, you can change them. Depending on the thickness or color of these lines, it will affect how the printer interprets them. Red lines with hairline thickness cut all the way through the material. Blue lines with hairline thickness will vector engrave. Everything else will be raster engraved. When you're satisfied, select Print. Choose the laser printer you are using and click Preferences. Find and select the type of material that matches the one you are using. Set the material thickness to match as well. When you're done, click Apply and OK. Click OK once more, and your design will be sent to a new program. Now it's time to focus your printer. To start, click anywhere over the material to move the laser there. The next part is very important. You'll need to make sure that the material is the proper distance from the laser. To do this, first use the controls to lower the printer bed. Grab the focusing gauge and lay it flat on your material. Slowly raise the bed so the gauge fits snugly between the head of the laser and your material. Be careful not to jam the gauge under the screw of the laser's head, as that could damage the printer. Once everything has been aligned, close the lid. Make sure to turn on the exhaust system. Now, click the play button to start your machine. Wait for the laser to finish. Do not leave it unattended while it's being cut. Before you remove your material from the printer, do a small feel to see if the laser fully cut through the places it was supposed to. If not, run the printer again. It's important to do this test before you remove anything, as it will be near impossible to set it back the same way. Once you're done, make sure to throw away the scraps in the specified scrap bin.
This video and the guide on the Anderson Labs website are great places to learn the basics, but our staff is also available if you need help. Happy cutting!